a good girl. Happy birthday.
Ayan, so next would be Ariel Baltazar. Mr. Ariel. Hello, happy birthday. And God bless you. Stay healthy, Elena, para makapag-aral ng maayos. Para maging successful. And happy birthday, Elena. So, salamat po. Susunod is si Miss Winnie Romero. Ma'am Winnie.
Very happy birthday. My gift to you symbolizes the way we want to comfort you in any time, anywhere we are. We would like to extend our best regard to you, study hard, and stay with you always like we do. Happy birthday.
Okay, so thank you po. Next will be Mr. Armando Selga. Mr. Armando. Ayan, so habang wala pa si Sir, susunod is si Miss Antoinette Gabrielo. Wala rin. Nagsisiwalaan na. Next would be Miss Eileen Chongson. Wala rin. And last is Mr. Jerry Rivera. Mr. Jerry. Wala rin. So mukhang wala na lahat. Okay, so bago tayo kumain, syempre, pakinggan muna natin yung message ng mother ni Elaine. May call on Miss Ate Myra to give the message to the debutante. Ate Myra, ayan, palapakan naman natin yung napagat ng mother ni Elaine.
Pati father dapat. Pati father.
And happy birthday. Sana magpakabait at sana mag-aral mabuti. And good health and more birthdays to come.
Okay, thank you. So susunod is yung father ni Elaine, si Mr. Leonardo Nespero. Kuya, message po.